Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this beautiful Papergang stationery subscription box for you, so stay tuned. So Papergang is a monthly stationery subscription box and it's by a company called Oh Dear. Oh Dear has a beautiful website and they sell gorgeous stationery and homeware products and all sorts and gifts. I would definitely recommend it. I will link the website in the description box down below. And they've created this stationery subscription box. Now, I love my subscription boxes. I really do. I think they're fantastic value and it's just such happy mail. And finding a stationery one, if you know me, you know that I absolutely love stationery, like obsessed. So to find one that's a stationery subscription box is fantastic. I have researched this before to find some and have found that there are others. And I saw this on Instagram a long time ago and just never took the plunge for it. But I saw that they had a deal on to get your first box for £5. So I thought, okay, I've definitely got to do it. And they showed a picture of this box and it is absolutely beautiful. It's just stunning. So I absolutely went for it. I experienced a few issues on the website. I will say. So first of all, it said that the deal was to get the box for £5 and that is essentially what you got, but you also had to pay £2.95 for delivery. This is fine if I had known this, but I had gone through the whole process of adding my email and going through the whole transaction process and paying for it, all while the total being £5. Then I got an email that says your £7.95 have been paid, which was a bit cheeky, and I really don't like stuff like that on websites, so I was not best pleased. The next issue that I had was when it was delivered, the box came and the postman had shoved it in my letterbox, so it had it had folded. So the pen that's inside had been destroyed, the notebook that was inside was bent and destroyed as well. So I did get in touch with Papergang and they sent out replacement items. So I've put those in here to show you the box as it should be. So those are just two things to be aware of. But I've got in touch with Papergang, told them, and they've said that they're going to have a look at those things. So I believe in good faith that they will. So the box, love the design. First of all, I love this paper cutout of the Papergang logo. I think that is just adorable, and it just works so well with the colour of the cardboard box behind. So it comes with a sleeve like this. On the back, I'll try not to show you my address, it has these cut out tags, so you can use these for gifts, bit of craft, whatever you want to use them for, which is quite cool. I would have loved if they had just continued this design on the back here without anything on it, because I would have totally made a divider out of that, and used the stationery inside to collate a new theme for my planner. But hey ho, I still think what they've done here is quite sweet and is also a good way to use up some wasted paper. So let's get into the box. And if we open up the box, so if you open up the box, it has a bit of information about the box and how they come to designing it and bits like that. I love seeing things like this on companies. I think it's really cool. And they also have a tree aid initiative where every box that they make, they plant a tree in association with this organisation, which is a massive bonus, always a plus. So first thing we have is this. When I opened the box and saw this, I thought, what is this? It is so out of theme, but it is an iron-on patch, and I think it's a little bit childish for me. Okay, a lot of it childish for me. So I won't actually be using this. I think I'll just pass that on to maybe one of the kids at church or something. Yeah, so we'll get rid of that. So everything comes really nicely wrapped in tissue paper. Love opening a good package with some tissue paper. And then we've got our stationery items inside. So what you get are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different items. So I'm going to walk you through these. First thing is this pen, and this is by Oh Dear. You can see it's got their logo on it. It's a very nice sleek pen, and it's just a twist pen like this, and it's a rollable biro, which is really nice. Always nice to get a lovely pen. Next we have some stickers, and you get a sticker sheet like this, and it's got different elements of the floral design on there. and some bits on here like a note for you with love. So I think the idea being, if you maybe make some cards or use the gift tags on the back, you can add these to it, which is really sweet. I really like those. I'm probably going to use these in my planner or in a notebook or something. We'll see. I'll find a use for them somehow. You also get a little Papergang magazine in here. Oh, it's a magazine. It's not quite a magazine, is it? It's a leaflet. And it has information about the designer, Chloe Hall. She's the one who's made this beautiful sticker design. Tells you a bit about what you get. And information about the designer. Love seeing stuff like this. I think it's really lovely to see other designs at work and some inspiration for what you can use the items for. So yeah, that's a really nice little addition. Next thing, we have a A6 notebook, and it's got a beautiful foil title on the front. And again, this styling design runs through. It's just like this. This is perfect size for popping into a planner, which is what I would definitely use this for. Other things I'd use this for is just like a throw in the bag sort of item, maybe if I just need to jot some things down while I'm out and about, or if I'm in a meeting and I need to jot anything down on paper, I'd probably use that. But it's a very sweet little notebook and very pretty. Next, we have a writing set. Now this I love. I absolutely love this. I remember talking to a friend of mine a while back, and we were talking about how sending notes and writing letters is just such a lost art, if you call it that. And I just love this. I'm totally going to use this. It's got these beautiful envelopes that have, again, this stunning design that run on the inside of the envelope, like so. And then it's got sheets of paper here to write some notes on. So I'll probably use the stickers for that as well if I'm writing a nice note to pop some on there. But you get, how many envelopes are in here? 10 envelopes, and I presume also 10 sheets of paper, which is lovely. I really like that. It's probably one of my favourite things in here, to be honest. I didn't think it would be, but I'm really looking forward to using that and sending some nice notes and sending out some love to some people. Next thing that's in here, this is really random. It's just this sheet, and I don't know if it's in the Papergang flyer to say that it's in there. I don't know if it's just a little throw-in. Yeah, it's not actually in here, but it's just a little, I think it's like a calendar insert for a month. I think the design on this hasn't printed properly. So as you can see, it's all pink, and it's kind of pixelated and sort of lost its colour. So I don't know if that's on purpose or not. I want to say that this is just, they printed these by accident and thought, let's not waste paper, and chucked them in. I'm going to go with that. And if that's the case, great. I'm sure I could find a use for that somehow. Last but not least, we have a documents wallet, and this is so beautiful. It is, I think it's a suitable size for A5 documents. I'm going to be really honest, I'm definitely not going to use this for documents. I think it's far too flimsy. If I use anything for documents, I like them to be rigid plastic that I know the documents are going to stay flat in. I'm probably more likely to use this for maybe some bits of makeup in my bag. I have like an sort of like SOS kit in my bag, so I'd probably put that in here and use that for this instead. But it's very pretty, and I think it's a great addition to it. I could probably pop all my stuff from the kit in here until I find a use of what to do with it, and get rid of the box. But yeah, it's a really nice addition, and I really like it. So that's all the products that are in the box. I hope this has inspired you maybe to give Papergang a go. Check them out. If not, just have a look at the website, because I really do like it. It is a beautiful website. But thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any requests for future videos, put those in the comments down below. Also, make sure to subscribe and do click that notification bell, because I'm planning on putting up more videos very soon, so make sure that you stay in touch. Thanks so much for watching, and however much is left of your day, enjoy it. Take care.